Hi! If your cat loves drinking water from the tap just like Ginger, then you definitely need the GNGPet water fountain. Let's open the box and see what's inside. So, we have instructions in several languages and, in the large bag, our main contents. Here's the contents of the box: the fountain body with a lid, both made of stainless steel. The body has a window for monitoring the water level. The lid has a compartment underneath for the filtration system. The water pump comes with an extra coarse filter, lighting, and a shutoff system when the water level is low. There's a power adapter, filters, a coarse filter and an activated carbon filter. Also included are 4 sets of these filters and a maintenance kit for the fountain, 2 brushes of different sizes and a sponge. Let's start assembling. First, we install the filters, remove the lid and unclip the filter compartment. Here, there are 2 latches. Install the filters, first the main filtering element, then the coarse filter, and reconnect everything. Now connect the pump to the lower nozzle of the filter compartment, just insert it. Inside the main body, there's a mark for the maximum water level. Fill the fountain body with water, focusing on this mark. Next, insert the lid with the attached pump into the fountain body, and the wire goes through this element. Insert the spout into the upper part of the filter compartment and connect our power adapter cord. So, this is how the drinking fountain looks in operation. A slight sound of water flowing, a window showing the water level, and practically no other noises. The drinking fountain needs regular cleaning. Despite the multi-layer filtration system, the water gets dirty. To keep it clean, I'll show you how to disassemble it. Remove the spout and take off the lid. Then proceed in reverse order. Unclip the filter compartment and take out the filters. If you need to clean the fountain every 3 days, the filters should be replaced approximately once every 2 weeks. During regular cleaning, just rinse the filters in warm water. Before using new filters, specifically this one, soak it in water for 10 minutes before installing it in the fountain. Stainless steel parts can be washed in the dishwasher, while the filter compartment should be washed with warm water. Now, let me explain about the pump. How to clean the pump: first, remove the filtering element and wash it separately. Next, take off the outer cover and wash it. Remove this small cover, and you can use our small brush. The convenient loop at the end helps to reach spots where your fingers can't. Remove the cover and carefully take out the inner element of the pump using the same loop. So, here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pump parts that all need to be cleaned and reassembled in reverse order. The pump has a nice feature: when there's no water, it doesn't run to prevent overheating, and a red LED flashes. As soon as the water level is sufficient, the pump turns on. Thank you all for watching. Be sure to like and share this video, and please support the GNG Pet Store.